Hello. I have been asked to say a few words on a subject I feel passionately about. I would like you, the ladies and gentlemen of the International Olympic Committee, to consider including 10-pin bowling in the next games. I believe that bowling is an ideal candidate for inclusion, because it is widely played, is already recognized by the IOC, and would become eligible to be part of the Paralympics. I feel that it would benefit the Games to include more sports that can be regularly played by normal people like me. Bowling is estimated to be played by 100 million people around the world, and is the biggest sport that is not already part of the Olympics. There are 10 million serious amateur or professional players on the 250,000 lanes found in dozens of countries around the world. It is a sport that can be enjoyed by families, children, and the elderly, because it relies on precision and technique, rather than speed and strength. It would give future generations hope that they too could represent their countries at the Games. This would give millions of people the motivation to go out and participate in sport, rather than just watch the elite athletes do things they could never dream of. Bowling was recognized as a sport by the IOC in 1979. To gain this status, a sport must be governed by a single organization that sets the standards and rules for players in all countries. Each Olympics sees a change to the mix of sports that are part of the Games. Normally there are 28 sports included in the Games, however there are only 26 at the London Olympics, because baseball and softball have been dropped. The new sports at the 2016 Games will be rugby sevens and golf. While they are fine sports, they do not have the universal appeal that bowling enjoys. During the Seoul Games in 1988, bowling was permitted to be a demonstration sport, and gave the Philippines their first and only gold medal. Bowling has been a big part of the Special Olympics for many years, and is one of the most popular sports on the program. I would like to see it included in the Paralympics as well, but this means that it would have to be an Olympic sport first. Bowling is ideally suited to being played by people with a disability. Bumpers and ramps can be used so that even people with a severe disability can play. Who could say no to a sport that does not discriminate on the grounds of gender, age, or dress sense? I hope you will look favorably on bowling, and include it in future games. Its worldwide popularity, existing IOC recognition, and special suitability for the Paralympics would make it an ideal addition to the Olympic lineup. Maybe then I could have a chance at a gold medal, and become famous.